Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an event calendar to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put a link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elf site, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the Tools section, and right down here you'll see the event calendar. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this Club Events template. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 4 options here, which are Events, Layout, Style, and Settings. In the Events option, you can input your events by managing them manually or by connecting the widget to your Google Calendar. To add your event manually, just click here and click Add Event button. After that, you can input the name, date, and time of your event here. You can write a description for your event in this column and add an image by uploading a file or upload from URL. And add text by clicking Add Tag and write in this column. If you need to add a color, button link, video, and file attachment to your event, you can explore these tabs here and click back once you're done. Click on this 3 dots button to edit, duplicate, hide, or delete your event. You can manage past events, event types, venues, hosts, and Google Calendar integration here. Next, we move on to layout. Here, you can choose how you want your event calendar looks like. I'll go with this option. Then you can group your events by year, month, or day, change the amount of rows per page on desktop and mobile, then adjust the width and the spacing between events. Also, you can change the heading, give filter to your event, display or hide some elements, or show and hide past events. After that, we move on to Style, where you can change your event calendar's design by changing the colors and styles of the background, heading, event, buttons, pop-up, or custom CSS. Lastly, we move on to the last option, which is Settings, where you can choose how you want the visitor of your website to see the information of the events, whether it is in pop-up, button link, or none. You can also change the display time zone, language, and edit some text here if you need to. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elf site. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, then click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the link that you have copied before by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of your widget by clicking and dragging the small dots here and adjust the size of the section by dragging these arrows up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget, because I think the current font doesn't really fit my website and I don't want to go back to Elfsight to change the font. So here I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line. Then paste the link by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. Then click Update. You can see that the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have an event calendar on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.